He keeps going back and forth. How can I make him commit? Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Carmont, your relationship expert. And today I want to talk about a special situation. What should you do when he keeps going back and forth? Sometimes he loves you, sometimes he wants to be independent, sometimes he come back and say, you're the woman of my life, and then he disappears. What should you do? Number one thing, it's really important. Don't stay focused on his words. Words worth nothing. Peanuts, zero, okay? It's about actions. Because it's so easy for a man to come to you and say, I love you, I want you in my life. Oh no, I don't want to be in a relationship now. It's that easy. Because men are always looking for a challenge. As we talked with Coach Abby, she said men are hunters. They want to chase you. They want to pursue you. So when you are grunted, when you're here waiting for him, you just stop the attraction process. And this is not what I want for you. So please remind you something. Men are always looking for a challenge. So when he comes back to you, I'm so sorry to say that, but it's not for yourself. He doesn't know about yourself. He doesn't know what is your favorite color, where you want to spend your holidays, where you want to be in 10 years. He's just coming back because, oh, she didn't text me. I will try to attract her. This is how stupid men are thinking. But you love bad boys, you love stupid men. So, just to come back to the video, I want to tell you something. If men love challenge, you need to be the happiest woman in the world. You need to have a good self-confidence. If you can have your charisma, your smile, standing up, just be happy in your life. This guy will always come back to you. Never look at his words. Never, never, never. Okay? It's really important for you to just make sure that his actions are related to his words. Words, actions, they need to be the same. And sometimes, if he's coming back and say, you're the woman of my life, offering you some flowers, inviting you to the best restaurant, the most expensive one, that doesn't mean he loves you. He doesn't know who you are. So that's why it's really important to take your time. When a man is coming back before sex, before showing him, that you are really in love or that you like him, you need to take your time. So how can you control your emotions? Two things. One is about eyes contact, okay? You need to make sure that you're not looking at him as someone that you love. Okay? Eyes contact. And then, tone of voice. We know when a lady is confident or when she's not really confident. And this is something that you need to consider because it's unconsciously really important. Eyes contact and also your tone of voice. Then I want to help you to understand that it's really important to enjoy the present moment. This type of men, they are lost, they are unstable, they are always looking for new things. And I told you in another video about human psychology that it's really important. We give value to what we don't have. So this man will look at you as a challenge. He wants to enjoy the present moment. He wants to be happy. And if you can just do new things, if you can be special by asking him different type of question, not be that lady like other ladies. Oh, he's so cute, I want to be in a relationship with him. Because if you're like other lady, he will never choose you. Never, never, never. So it's really important to set some boundaries, to ask good questions, to enjoy the present moment. And in one word, to be active. To be active means to have the control and to be present. That you know what you want and he will have to chase you. He will have to fight for you. So if he's going back and forth, it's because you devalue yourself. You're thinking, I need him. What should I do? Maybe if I give him my heart, he will come back. This is not what is happening today. And this is strange. This is weird. This is killing me as a relationship expert because I really want to help you. But if you understand what I'm saying today, you can get this man back into your life and committed because you will have the control. So remember, you're the prize, you're the challenge. I want to give you one tip that I gave to all the ladies that I've coached, so it's really important. You need to write down on a paper, take a paper and a pen and write down, I will show him, this stupid man, who I am. Why am I telling you to write this down? Because if you can reverse your own voice by not telling you, I need him. If I want to be happy, I need him. If you can change this voice and just tell yourself, I will show him, this stupid man, who I am, then your attitude will change. Your tone of voice will change. The way you think will change because you will trust yourself and you will be the challenge. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments below and I will be here with the team to answer every single question. Give me a like because you love this video, you love my French accent, and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. If you want to go further, if you want me to help you, if you want me to be your relationship expert, that will be an honor. So please come on withmyexagain.com/coaching and book a coaching session. I can guarantee you in just 1 hour, I can explain to you everything about his psychology, your psychology, and how to make sure that if he's going back and forth, we can stop the process and make him commit to your relationship. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.